Hello. Creepy. Yep. So, my guitar. Look me. Look my guitar. Me. Guitar. Me. Look my backpack. Me. Think fast. Smart one. Smart one. I have something top secret to tell you. They cannot know what this video is about. You don't know who they is. The people in the other room. Yeah. So, playing with kinetic sand. Have you ever heard of kinetic sand? It's like really cool. It's like this sand that like moves on its own. I'm not kidding. Look, I have a bunch of toys in there. It doesn't come with toys. That's nuts. It doesn't I was just kidding. Kinetic sand doesn't smell, but it might. Like, it does smell, but only if you like take a big whiff of it. Take like a big whiff of it, then you're gonna get some smell. And so that's what it looks like. Keep on going. So that is what it looks like. Very well. Look at that. Just and it's a magenta-ish color. There's natural, magenta, pink, purple. No, there's no purple. There's natural, magenta, pink, and blue. That's all I know. And they even made kinetic sand with glitter. I didn't get the one with glitter. My mom just put glitter in it. Just saves money. So, what would you like to see? You shall vote if you would like to see me cut out and make 4 cupcakes, or if I should make 2 pears and two bananas. Vote now. Dun 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 dun. Ding! Time's up. Looks like we have chosen the cupcakes. Okay. So cupcakes, 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 cupcakes. So okay, so just listen to my cupcake song. Cupcakes, 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 cupcake, cupcakes, cutting the rest off that I don't know. You know what I call the extra? I call any extra of food muffin top. So, like, when we make kinetic sand cupcakes, you always have to cut off the muffin top. And they are finished! That didn't take long, did it? No. Okay, they're all finished, they're all molded out, and so that is what they look like. Okay, so heart. Oh no, it's breaking apart. Circle. Heart. Circle. Heart. Okay, so Well, that's kinetic sand. That's a pear. So, if you like what you see, then you should probably go get it. They sell it for like $5. It's really cheap. I got 2 pounds of it. 2 pounds of it, really, really cheap. So, if you like what you see, go buy it.